Hey guys, so this week's going to be a little bit different because we've been really busy working on a short film that we're going to have out in a couple of weeks, I think about 3 weeks. So this week we're going to be sharing our favorite original recipes. So this recipe I kind of made up just last night. Okay, so the things you will need are ice, stick to stirry thing, apple juice, watermelon circle things, honey, and a cup. Okay. So, ice. Put your ice in. Then you have your honey melted in the microwave or it'll be pretty nasty. 2 tablespoons of apple juice. Pour that in. Then add some of these watermelon balls. The best thing though is watermelon juice. Anyways, stir it around with your stirring stick thingy. Poke these watermelon balls. Try and make sure you get all the honey. That's the best part. So yeah, I made this up last night because my mom bought a watermelon and recently I've been watching a lot of Everyday Drinkers. I'll put a link to their YouTube channel down below. And I'm not 21 yet, so I want to come up with something cool. But once you got it all mixed in, there you are. It's not too sweet because of the apple. What are you doing?
So good.
Do you know what's in it?
Apple juice and watermelon.
And what? Something else.
Corn syrup. Oh, honey.
No, not corn syrup.
Honey. Yes.
No. Something else. Stop drinking all of it.
Ice.
No.
What? What else is in there? Oh, can I have this?
There's nothing in there.
Nothing in it. He doesn't want to throw it away. He's
Throw
just
it.
lazy fucking ass. I'm gonna fucking kill him. So fucking lazy. Sorry.
Whoa. That wasn't cool. Well, anyway, so you just want to mix it all up. Get rid of that thing. Okay, so this video didn't go exactly how I planned, but you get the idea. Main things are make sure your honey's melted and stir really quickly or else it'll get really hard and stick and keep its shape instead of melting into the drink. Hope you guys liked it. I love you guys. Tune in next week for Lions' favorite original recipe, and then in a couple weeks we'll have a short film up for you guys. And I'm sorry that we didn't get one up last week. I've just been working a lot on this upcoming video, but if you guys want to know the recipe, it'll be down in the description. Share us a video of your favorite recipe or give us a recipe to try out. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much. See you guys next week.